Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your dual zone automatic climate control in the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium S all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so the dual zone automatic climate control is located in the center console here right under the radio. So to start us off, anytime you go to make an adjustment in the climate control, you'll see the little drop-down menu come down from the top of the screen here, showing any adjustments that you happen to be doing at that time. What I'm going to do right now is actually press the climate button, and then you'll see it goes up to the full screen instead. So I'm going to leave it on that for now. So you'll notice we've got two different temperature knobs here, driver's side and passenger side. And the passenger side knob, you'll notice that the sync is turned on. When sync is on and I go to make an adjustment in the driver's temperature knob, you'll see that it changes the same on both sides. If I were to either press the sync button or just go ahead and use the passenger side knob, it will turn sync off and you'll see now the passenger side is changing different from the driver's side. If I were to press sync back on, it will actually sync the passenger side to whatever setting the driver temperature is at. Inside the driver temperature knob is the auto button. So if I were to go ahead and press that, you're going to notice that the fan speed is actually kind of changing itself. So right now it's about 17 degrees outside and I've set the internal temperature of the cabin to 29 degrees. What it's going to do is it will adjust the fan speed as it needs to, up or down, in order to get the cabin to reach the temperature we told it to. And it will make any adjustments if you happen to open a door, roll down a window, and the interior of the cabin of the vehicle changes temperature. It'll adjust as it needs to, again, to get it back to what you told it to get to. So, if you didn't want the auto on, you can use either the big fan or the little fan speed buttons and adjust the fan speed yourself, and it will turn off the auto climate control. Next to the big fan button, there's the mode button. So if you were to press that, it's going to adjust where you want the air to come from. Down here to the left, we have our dedicated front and rear defroster buttons. Pardon me. Don't forget that the rear defroster does include the side mirrors. You also have your air conditioning button, so you can turn that on and off as you want to. And also, if you were to drop the temperature enough, you'll see the air conditioning will come on its own. And if you had it, again, down set to like the low setting, which is more or less the max AC, you'll notice that it's now auto recirculating the air. So it's going to keep the cold air in and the hot air out. And again, if you were to go to a higher temperature, it's going to bring in the fresh air instead. And once I hit a certain threshold for the temperature, it turned the air conditioning off for me. And then, of course, if you didn't want the auto climate control running, we can go ahead and hit the off button and turn it off completely. This will also go ahead and auto defog or auto dehumidify as it needs to. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select that notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.